that.
New members, new blood, new tractors.
Young people to do the work.
Now you weren't supposed to say that.
I'm a young people and I do work. But they weren't that good.
We're over on the flat top. This young guy over there, and I think really going on the second. I'm not calling